2012 Volvo single axle day cab tractor. Volvo horsepower 385 under the hood, backed up by a 10-speed Fuller manual transmission. Take a quick walk around, show you what's going on. 12,000 pound front, 23,000 pound rear. Little scuff in the nose, nothing too terrible. Cab's looking pretty good for you. Back of the cab, little rub, nothing terrible. Frame's in pretty good shape. Tires look like they're doing all right. Airbags holding air. Fifth wheel doing what it does. Dual fuel tanks for you. Both mud flaps present. DEF underneath the driver's door. As you come around to the cab, air ride seat, Fuller 10-speed on the inside, AC present and working for you. Rest of the cab looking okay. Looks like a few little scuff marks, nothing too terrible. Bumper's got a little bend to it. Somebody boinked something. All lights are good except one little marker light out. Washers, wipers, city horn, blower, ABS, all good. Check engine light on. Pretty typical. Bring your scan tool, figure out what's going on, see if it was just the voltage drop or something else happening for you. 2012 Volvo single axle day cab tractor right here at Arthur Trovey & Sons. Great package deals to be had. Buy a truck, buy a trailer, buy multiple trucks. We'll help you out and get you down the road.